I can't see him in the sun. Might be below us.
I talked to you earlier, sir.
Oh, there he is, helicopter.
Thank you. Traffic alert 90338 Charlie, traffic 9 o'clock, quarter mile, appears to be northwestbound, indicating 1,000, type unknown, altitude unverified there.
3 Charlie has the traffic, it's a helicopter.
All right, thanks.
Hello, welcome to another video. Good morning from Kissimmee. It's a cool morning. There's not a cloud in the sky, so why do closed pattern work when you can practice some RNAVs, which is what I'm doing today. With it being a VMC day, completely clear, I have to keep my eyes out looking for traffic. That's my responsibility, so I'm not entirely focused on instruments, but it's good practice anyway between the radio work and and what I need to do to set up for each phase of the approach. So the wind is coming from the north, so that means they're landing and departing runway 33, and I'm going to do my briefing on the ground and get that out of the way there. And hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, you'll get notifications when new videos come out.
November 9338 Charlie, they just took the handoff, runway 33, cleared for takeoff, turn left heading 270.
Clear for takeoff, runway 33, heading 2703 Charlie. Alright, I see runway 33, 33, 33, here we go, full power, wheels on the floor, good RPM. Fuel pressure, all looks good, all the green. Those are 400, making a turn.
Number 38 Charlie, contact Orlando departure. That's fine.
Over to departure, 3 Charlie. Orlando departure, Cherokee 9338 Charlie out of Kissimmee, 270 heading 800, climbing 2000.
November 9338 Charlie, Orlando departure, radar contact, say your first request.
We'll be doing 2 RNAV 333 Charlie.
November 1908 Sierra Whiskey, contact approach 135.3.
Alright, there's 2,000 feet, let's level off.
135.3, 1908 Sierra Whiskey, have a good day.
November 9338 Charlie, expect the RNAV runway 33, turn left heading 180.
Turning left 180, expect runway 333 Charlie.
November 9338 Charlie, upon completion of your approach, fly heading 270, climb maintain 2000, return to this frequency.
Okay, upon completion of the approach, 270 on the heading, up to 2000, back to you, 3 Charlie. Let's get our cruise.
Hawk 54041, cleared visual approach, runway 27 left.
2000, I'm not going to lean. Landing light is off.
54041, contact.
Light instruments check. 2000, 2000, 180. It's nice and level.
Approach, cruise truck 344.
Fuel quantity, we're fine. That checklist is complete. And let's just go through it one more. Let's just go one more time. So Yanma is the initial approach fix.
9338 Charlie, fly heading 160.
160 on the heading, 3 Charlie. Alright, so we're going to continue to Yanma,
445.
no lower than 2,000 feet.
When do you plan on starting your descent there for Leesburg?
And then we'll be turned to AXMEB. After AXMEB, if we're cleared, we can descend down to
45, okay. Yeah, whatever you want.
1,700 feet. Lojeb is the final approach fix. Gotta watch that altitude.
November 9338 Charlie, fly heading 120.
120, 3 Charlie. Looks like we're not going to Yanma, so we'll probably get vectors to final. Alright, let's do the approach. It's gonna get busy in a second. ATIS, we got that, that's Lima. Approach briefing is complete. Seatbelts, landing light is on. Fuel pump is on.
approach, confirm 440 at 4,000.
Mixture's full rich. Fuel we're going to leave where it is. Flaps as required, and that checklist is complete.
338 Charlie, flighting 100.
1003 Charlie.
Rear track 344, contact Jacksonville approach 118.6.
118.6, Jax, approach correct track 344, thank you.
November 9er 338 Charlie, maintain 1,700.
1703 Charlie. We're just going to activate vectors to final. 10 on the heading. All that looks good. That looks good. Oh, that's why there's traffic.
647 Foxtrot Tango, say your position and request.
We're 18 miles west of Melbourne.
I can't see him in the sun.
I'd like to request flight following to Kilo Papa.
Might be below us.
Echo.
I talked to you earlier, sir.
Oh, there he is, helicopter.
Thank you. November, traffic alert 9er 338 Charlie, traffic 9 o'clock, quarter mile, appears to be northwestbound, indicating 1,000, type unknown, altitude verified there.
3 Charlie has the traffic, it's a helicopter.
All right, thanks. November 9er 338 Charlie, turn left heading 360, intercept the RNAV runway 33.
Left 360, intercept the RNAV 333 Charlie. Maintain 1,700 feet, turning 360, standard rate. It's all good, that's locked. Keep the turn in.
November 9er 338 Charlie, 5 miles from Loja, fly heading 360, maintain 1,700 till established on final approach course, cleared RNAV runway 33 approach.
360, maintain 1,700 till established, clear RNAV 333 Charlie.
Thank you.
Alright, there's that needle. This one's really, oh, it's interesting comparing the two. Let's keep an eye here. So that's 332.
What's your position currently, you say?
That's coming in. Alright.
Okay.
That's centered, maintaining 1,700. We can't go any lower than that.
And stand by for your code there, 3 Foxtrot Tango, I'll have it for you 1 second. November 9er 338 Charlie, contact tower 124.45.
Over to tower 2445, 38 Charlie. KISM Tower Cherokee 9er 338 Charlie, approaching Loja RNAV 33.
0938 Charlie, KISM Tower, roger. Continue, I'll sequence for you shortly.
3 Charlie.
Number 38 Charlie, to get a little closer, look for traffic left. I want to beam the numbers, you're number 2 to follow. And cleared for the option runway 33.
Clear for the option number 2, we'll look for the traffic, 3 Charlie. Alright, 1,700.
Charlie, your traffic is close in left base to final number 2, clear for the option. That's right, I already cleared you, didn't I?
Clear for the option, runway 33, and we're still keeping our eyes for the traffic, 3 Charlie. It's looking good. To the left, just air. That's looking good. There's 500. See the airport, we're going to continue. And I am going to do a touch and go. Alright, see the airport, we're continuing. Runway environment in sight, continuing. Second notch of flaps. Third notch of flaps. Right on the mark. Watch the airspeed. Right on the mark. There's 200. power off. Full power. Engine gets all good. There we rotate. I was really happy about that.
Number 38 Charlie, fly your sign, miss approach instructions, contact Orlando departure.
Over to departure. See you in a few minutes. 3 Charlie.
See you in a bit.
Orlando departure, Cherokee, Niner 338 Charlie, 270 heading 800, climbing 2000.
Cherokee Niner 338 Charlie, Orlando departure, ident, expect RNAV 33.
Ident and expect RNAV 33, 3 Charlie. Fuel pump is off.
Niner 338 Charlie, radar contact.
Okay, we got radar contact from him, which is good. 1,400 for 2,000. No traffic in front of us, which is good. We're still on 270 heading and right there.
November Niner 338 Charlie, turn left heading 160.
Left 160, 3 Charlie.
Traffic 920 Whiskey Bravo, Orlando approach, altimeter 3020, say your destination.
Procedure, select approach, 33.
November 920 Whiskey Bravo.
Let's do vectors, activate. Keep that turn in. Alright, cruise, 2400, mixture, lean. We're not going to lean at 2,000 feet. Landing light is off. I am going to check. Do the fuel. It's time for that.
November 625 Foxtrot Tango, say your position and request.
Watch the fuel pressure. That looks good. Fuel pump off. Watch the fuel pressure. That's holding. Flight instruments, rear level, 2000.
625 Foxtrot
160. We're going to keep that exactly where it is. All looks good. No flags.
November Niner 338 Charlie, it's going to be full stop, correct?
Affirmative, 3 Charlie.
November Niner 338 Charlie, turn left heading 100.
Left 100, 3 Charlie.
Air Niner 75, climb maintain 5000, clear direct Vista. Unable flight following to Marathon Riddle.
Alright, 100 on the heading. Here's our approach. So we are going to get vectors to final.
November 9 338 Charlie, send to maintain 1,700.
Down to 1,700, 3 Charlie. Alright, approach. ATIS, we have that still. That was Lima. Approach briefing, we've done that. Seatbelts are on, landing light is on, fuel pump is on. Fuel selector is on the left.
25 West MCO, looking at transition to Disney TFR. Archangel 2, Orlando ident.
Mixture is full, Rich. Yep, we did that. Fuel, yep, and that checklist is complete.
Archangel 2, radar
Continue our descent.
Reported, you cleared to transition through Disney TFR. Are you just going toward Executive Airport? Yeah, affirm.
And we changed the tanks at 910, so we're on the left.
Archangel medevac 2, Archangel 2 medevac, radar contact.
Alright, it's level out at
Indicating 1,400, altimeter 3020. 3020.
Where's that turn? Give us that turn.
Number 9338 Charlie,
There it
fighting
is.
360, intercept the RNAV 33.
Left 360, intercept RNAV 33, 3 Charlie.
Scott flight 440, contact Jacksonville approach 118.6.
118.6, coming 440 back. Residential 1 on Tulsa 1 departure.
Residential 1 departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4,000.
That's 4,000, residential 4.
Residential 4 traffic, 11 o'clock, 5 miles, appears to be northbound, indicating 2,200, type of no-no.
Alright, 360 on the heading.
Residential 4.
Maintaining 1,700.
Orlando departure, Mooney 74, Pop Hill, level 1,500.
Yep, all complete on that.
Residential 4, fly heading, or turn 10 degrees left vector for that traffic, 10 left for now.
10 degrees to the left, Residential 4.
Thank you. November 9338 Charlie, cleared RNAV runway 33 approach.
Clear RNAV 33 approach, 3 Charlie.
Residential 4 traffic's no factor now, you can come back to the right, turn right heading 330.
Right heading 330.
Alright, we need to maintain this altitude.
November 9338 Charlie, contact tower 124.45.
Over to Kissimmee through the A Charlie. Thanks for the help today.
Good.
Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 9338 Charlie on RNAV 33.
Cherokee 9338 Charlie, Kissimmee Tower, runway 33. You can continue. Currently number 3, 2 aircraft in the pattern ahead of you. This is a full stop.
Continuing number 3 and confirming this is a full stop, 3 Charlie.
38 Charlie, roger.
A little to the right. We're approaching the Lojev. Alright, if we have to go mist, we go straight ahead, climb 540, and then climbing left turn 2000. That glide slope starting to come in. We're a half mile from Lojev.
I didn't hear where you were going.
1200, and we are going to descend to
Odyssey Warrior.
332.
Yeah, that's fine. Turn left at taxiway.
That is our
Bravo.
DA. This
And,
LPV.
Bravo Delta departing, monitor ground point 7.
Bravo Delta departing, monitor ground point 7 to Bravo.
A little off. Let's get there crosswind. Let's get there. 900 for 332, but I'm going to bring that up to 400, so 500 feet to go. Keep the descent in. 800 for 400. 700 for 400. All looks good. 150 feet to go. Right on the mark. 100 feet to go. Right on the mark. Right on the mark. That was
November 6127 Golf at the downwind.
sweet.
27 Golf, runway 33.
Landing.
Clear, set to go.
Alright, let's clean up. Down, fuel pump landing late. And Kissimmee Ground Cherokee 9038 Charlie off the active taxi to signature parking.
Cherokee 9338 Charlie, ground, turn left on Alpha, cross 24, right on Bravo, taxi to parking.
Left on Alpha, cross 24, right on Bravo to parking, 3 Charlie.